Okay, they have it at the live button under your speaker. Okay, it's called, just click the live button. You can get the link for the live streaming for the YouTube. Okay, so no worries. Okay, if you can't catch up with whatever Mr. Robert, I think very clear, loud and clear actually, regarding what is the Royal Q board especially, and what can do and don'ts in the Royal Q. Alright, so thank you, very marvelous for your presentation to our brother Mr. Robert, our V5 for today. Fantastic and very charismatic. I think these guys, these fellas is considered well known in the Royal,
Yes,
or in the globe right now at this moment. Okay, for your information, King Gas considered a very international leader, because I with him, I saw him explain to the more than give a talk more than 10,000 people at the Japan. I still remember at the Japan. Okay, he's considered have international contact, a very dynamic and futuristic, considered a charismatic leader. Okay, we are very proud to having him since start for the past couple few months, since start until now. He keep helping each person in order to achieve their achievement. Alright, so one of it is Mr. Robert. Just now already explained. Mr. Robert is under direct under Mr. Kingas. So guys, without further delay, we compound and proudly present to you a very dynamic leader from Malaysia. Okay, we going to international. Give a round of applause to our big brother, Mr. King Gas.
And alright, thank you, Mr. Duke Achin. Thank you. Welcome back to our international Zoom meeting as a host. First of all, I would like to congratulate to Mr. Robert for achieving V5 today, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
So I'm proud of you, bro. We fight to go V6. Right now, we already have a lot of people change their life around the globe. As you can see, for me, as you can see right now, we already have more than 250,000 people around the globe. Just imagine that. More than 250,000 already benefited from this financial app. That's why we should positioning our Royal Q as a financial app that can make money on autopilot. Right? As you can see today, we also have 2 V6 from Malaysia and from India. When we see people reaching the rank, that means we see there's a lot of lives has been changed during that process. That is the most important part. Okay, as you know, I think maybe not many people aware of it. I would like to show something that very interesting that you should share to everybody around the globe, to everybody that have a smartphone regarding this information. This is very crucial. This is very important. This is very credibility. If you go to your app, maybe you're not aware of this information. User profit exceeded 30 million USD. Just imagine in 6 months during this pandemic, Royal Q financial app has proven that have a lot of people that using this Royal Q app to make more than 30 million USD profit. Just imagine that. This profit is being made during pandemic, yes. This is huge. That's why I say everybody who have a smartphone need to install this app. Right? Need to install. This is something that everybody who have access to cryptocurrency. If you have wallet, you have Binance, you have Huobi, you have any crypto wallet, you must have this Royal Q financial app for everybody that you know who have cryptocurrency. Because why we have proven, as you can see, this is the big information that maybe a lot of people not aware. During this pandemic, for the past 6 months, users has made 30 million USDs. This is huge, guys. This is huge. That's why, as you can see, every single day, there are a lot of people have achieved rank. What does that mean? That means every single day, we have changed a lot of people's lives around the globe. As you can see, we have event in Brazil, we have event in India, in Indonesia, all over the globe right now, try to accept Royal Q app. That's why you need to keep on sharing, bring more people to our Zoom call. You know, you have your country events, right? Keep on sharing this in social media, in all the platform. Everybody should need this, right? Should need this because every crypto user must have Royal Q financial apps. That's why I would like to position Royal Q as a financial app. Just imagine if everybody can make money on autopilot using this app. As you can see right now, a lot of people already start making 4 figures, 5 figures income, even 6 figures income every single day. The most important part, if you look at Royal Q app, this is not people are aware of it. This is not people not aware of this. If you go to your apps, you go to your asset, right? Many people might see this information, but they don't aware that you've been paid every single second, guys. Every single minute, every single second. This is the only opportunity where you can start earning in USD and spend in your country currency, but you get paid every single second, every single minute. That's why you need to share this with a lot of people. That's why everybody should take this opportunity to share one of the best apps at this country during this pandemic. This is help a lot of people change their life around the globe. We've been growing so fast like COVID around the globe. That's why I said this is one of the best app that everybody should share to every single person that have a smartphone. We want to make this app, this financial app, viral around the globe. As you can see that a lot of people who are using this app for the past 6 months are very happy, right? If you look at your asset, if you look at your crypto asset, you can see the growth on your asset, right? By using this app. And with a lot of features, with a lot of upgrade, right? You can see you have the most safest app, trading app that you can use to trade cryptocurrency. That's why I said we need to keep on sharing this app, keep on show the people the result. We make 30 million USDT for the past 6 months. As you know, we also have a lot of traders that you can copy trade who make more than like 20,000% in their tradings. That's why everybody, if you don't know about crypto, if you are new about cryptocurrency, if you knew about trading, this app will help you. This app is one of the best tools to help you change your life. This app will help you to start make non-stop profit and make money 100% on autopilot. So that's from me. Okay, I think there's a lot of people right now. V5, V6 will talk tonight. So I think you guys are very lucky because you are in the community, right? This is something that you should give to your family members. Should every home that have smartphone must have this app. This is one of the best financial app that give you non-stop profit and 100% on autopilot. What I always say is this Royal Q app is like looking at the sky. You can look at the sky, but you don't know the limit. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you to Mr. Kingas, kingas.com. I like the words financial apps. Financial apps. I like that sentence. Okay, thanks a lot for our big brother Kingas for the excellent sharing for tonight. Okay, normally we can see Mr. Kingas talk quite long time, but tonight he well versed with all the time limit. Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Kingas. Okay, so guys, we call upon our second testimony. Okay, as consider a very great leader, as very great leader from Malaysia also. Okay, so congratulations, Mr. Sufi Abdul become the V5. For brothers and sisters, for your guys' information, Brother Sufi or Master Sufi consider a self-made multimillionaire, especially in the cryptocurrency industry. So without further ado, I will call upon him in order to share with us for tonight. Okay, regarding the Royal Q experience since start, guys, since for the few months ago. So I hand over to Brother Sufi.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah. Wow.
So tonight, we all people all over the world, all right? Okay, I don't talk much tonight, but I give a few tips about to manage your team, okay? Because we have a lot of people who are already talk about trading, okay? So maybe I can focus or give a tips about affiliate program. Okay, guys, I introduce myself. My name Muhammad Sufi Abdul Razak. Just call me Sufi Abdul. My Zoom meeting nickname only Sufi Abdul. Alright, I just joined Royal Q since 24th of April. Okay, 24th of April. Directly from Mr. Nizam. On that night, he met me one of the restaurant of my in front of my house. Then suddenly, what most important thing, guys, you need to know about the system. You need to trade first, okay, to understand about our product is a trading product. Royal Q is a tools, okay. Royal Q is a tool. It's not the platform who can give you a fixed return. No, it 100% depend on the market and your safety about your capital, okay. In your Binance and hobby, that thing you must clear with your team, all right. And second thing, okay, you need to make decision, guys. Okay, make decision. I know this is the basic class who are new in this platform, who are new in cryptocurrency, but like what I make decision on 2014, I'm start involved on cryptocurrency. Okay, I start involved in cryptocurrency. My decision is we take a small risk. Everything in profit must have a risk. You need to understand. You and your people need to understand where is the risk. So simple. Okay, simple. In Royal Q, only $120 to active this robot. If you become poor, if you lose this $120, don't join. Okay, I talk to my team. Simple. If you start with $120, don't and you become poor. If anything happen to Royal Q, don't join. Because we know the cryptocurrency is not the technology. The cryptocurrency is revolution. Whether you join in or not, they will grow all over the world, like country El Salvador, yes, country El Salvador. A lot of country will follow step of El Salvador. There's just the earlier stage to recognize digital asset become currency El Salvador. Alright, guys, let me share for you what I have get. Okay, maybe not much with Mr. V6 or other V5, but I will share to you what I get. Alright, this is my account. Okay, this is my account under my name, Sufi Abdul. Alright, so let me open my structure. You can see all my team. I just direct introduce with 14 account. Okay, here is direct introduce with 14 account. Until today, my total activate team is 86,029 account. Guys, I don't know who is 26,000. Where it come from, I don't know. But what I put in my heart, my mind, I just help other people. Okay, I just help other people to generate their own income from home. That's the good thing about Royal Q. You don't need to become expertise in cryptocurrency or in chart trading. Okay, non-activate still pending about 110,000. Okay, I never think about these people who are joining. I'm start with 3 people first. Okay, 3 people first. Okay, in a total of my team. Okay, I very happy with my group or my direct introducer is Mr. Pak Santoso already become V6 from Indonesia, and wow. Second team still growing about 2,000 account, and the third account become 7,000 account. So I just take care about 1, 2, 3 direct. Okay, 3 direct, and of course I have a small account who will start. Okay, just started. All right. So don't care about who will join you. Yeah, you do the small thing repeatedly, then you will become bigger. Okay, you don't know who you will be sponsor. Just thinking, not find the people, but we give opportunity to the people. I cannot give money to every single people. I don't have a lot of money, but I can give opportunity for them. All right, to my family members also. Okay, based on my structure. Okay, not so much because I get only 2 major leg on my team. So, but it's okay. I still got income around $400 every day. 400, 400, 800, 700, 400, 500 every day. You know how much my capital for this account? It's only $100. This is come from affiliate system, guys. For $100, I give you about return of investment. I get 44,000%. 100 become 200 is about 100%. So 100 become $44,000 is 44,000%. Can you imagine what business you can do right now in the pandemic COVID? Okay, with $100 you can get 44,000. This is what I'm surprised. Okay, this is different with my trading. In trading part, we know the market volatility up and down. Even though market down, market up, still I earn income every second, not every day, every second. Okay, I prove it here. Okay, so right now you see on my asset, see this is income that I override. Okay, 22, 21, 29, 22, 21, 19, 22, 21, 19, 22, 21, 09. This is my income per second. Even though small, you sleep, you eat, you watching television, you play Facebook, still get paid. Okay, this is need. You need to focus. All right, this is need. You need to focus because if you have big capital or small capital, doesn't matter. Start with $100. Okay, I want to share one more tips. Okay, before I leave and pass to another presenter after this, I want to share to you. If you find new people, kindly don't open just one account. For me, I have 4 accounts. Okay, so you just start with 2 accounts minimum. Even though you just want to join Royal Q only for trading, but trust me, 99% all my team said the same thing, including me. I just want to trade, but end up automatically will say a good thing about Royal Q. That's we call networking. That's we call marketing. All right, automatically you become marketing. All right. So why? Because you open 2 accounts. The first account is okay. Don't trade. Never mind. You trade with second account. You link to Hobby or you link to Binance. Up to you. Because we have affiliate program here. Whatever amount, for example, I put $1,000 in my second account. My profit can get $100, right? Okay, for example, 10 to 15% is achievable. So, will deduction Royal Q is 20%. Times 20%, Royal Q will deduct $20. For example, $20, automatically your first account get $4. Okay, this is for V1. Okay, if V2 automatically in the first day, people who are join you in the day 1, still you get paid. Every time have $100, you can get $6. Then you can get $8, guys. So don't just open one account, you don't get anything. You open second account. But for me, who are really focused on the marketing, on the networking, because if I can get 2 incomes, why I need to focus only for trading, right? So my team, I open 4 accounts. 2, 3, 4. So I trade all my capital I put in second account. But if I have new people, I will introduce them with my link 2, 3, and 4. So this is become A, B, and C. So don't build this team. This team you don't build. Okay, you build this team. Okay, so you need to build this team. You have A, B, and C because you need to take care only 3 leaders. Okay, 3 leaders, A, B, and C. You don't take care 9 leaders. Okay, for starting, just take care 3 leaders until your A group become V3, your B group become V3, your C group become V3. Then you can start open. Okay, you can start build this team. Okay, one by one become V3. Then you become this one become V3. Then you do the account 4 become V3. Automatically, all account on the top become auto. Alright, you don't need to monitor on the first account. They become auto. When here V3, here V3, here V3, then you focus on your second, third, and fourth account. This is all my tips I want to give today. Alright, because we have another host. So, guys, this is the knowledge. Actually, Royal Q, what we do for Zoom meeting is a knowledge. You must give the knowledge. The most important investment is on the knowledge. Okay? So, kindly do your group Zoom meeting every day. Don't stop. Like open the restaurant. If you don't do Zoom meeting, The same thing, you open the restaurant and you close the restaurant. Client cannot know what is the good food, okay? Or how what they cannot eat in your restaurant. So Zoom meeting is like your restaurant. You need to have your Zoom meeting and your team every day and bring the new people to join. All right, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. I pass back to Mr. Achin.
Alright, thank you, Master Sifu Sofi. Master and then Sifu and then Sofi Abdul. Fantastic. Very dynamic leaders. Since start, I know him. Very open-minded and helpful leaders, guys. Congratulations, brother. V5, another one rank become the V6 for international. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so we are, without further ado, we go to the next. We see from which country first. Okay. Okay, I think I will go for Indonesia first. So I will call upon, if I follow my schedule, I will call upon our first Iron Lady. Our first Iron Lady for tonight. I not even met her before. Okay. Tonight is the first time, but I do heard about her name. Okay, so without further ado, I will call upon one lady boss from Indonesia, Miss Citra Ruli. Citra Ruli, are you in the room?
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi from Jakarta. I'm in Jakarta, from Indonesia. I just
Wow,
finished from another Zoom and then jump to this Zoom.
Fantastic. So many cryptocurrency, your visual background. Fantastic.
Yeah. So guys, I've been trading firstly from 2012 in
Right.
Forex. Then I've been trading in cryptocurrency in approximately 3 years. Yeah. Firstly, when my friends offered this robot, Ryoku, actually, I'm still confused. I was so confused. Best or worse this robot, yeah, because we are trader. Trader doesn't need a robot.
Wow.
Yeah. Professional trader, mostly professional trader doesn't need robot because the technology robot so sophisticated, but our brand is more smarter is than robot.
Yep.
But after some weeks, then I test the robot. Wow, the robot is amazing. Why? Because Royaki, we can do manually and automatically. So from the new starter, you don't know about crypto, you don't know about trading, you are playing of them, you can use this robot. But for professional trader, also can use this robot because we can set the menu, set the setting, so we can intervention this robot when this robot runs the trading. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's really amazing. I suggest you to use this robot to make money. I call this robot is what is called money machine, yeah.
Money machine, financial machine.
Yeah.
Money machine. Yeah.
Money machine, yes, I call it money machine because why? Because when we are sleeping, it produce money. When you do manually, when we do trading manually,
Yep.
you just stay at your seat and in front of your laptop. You can go anywhere.
Yeah.
You can go anywhere.
Yep.
Yes, you have to monitor eventually.
Yep.
Every day, every time. When I do trading manually, I go sleeping at 3 a.m. every day. But when I use this robot, I feel so free. I feel so happy because while we are sleeping, and then I can't go anywhere. This robot makes money every day, every minute. Okay. Okay, I will show you my account.
Okay.
Wait. I just use this robot Royal Q from June, the first week of June, and then, but I just test it for 3 weeks. So yeah,
Okay. Yes, I can see your screen already.
okay. The level is V4. Okay, let's see. Let's see from June, the 1st of June, because I don't think that the robot is good. So I think that I will not tell my friend to use this. because, because my basic is trader, and then I think this robot is only for me. Okay, so for 3 weeks I use it by myself, for myself. Then there's no reward. Then I tell my group of trading, I have to tell them that I can make profit by the robot. I tell some of friends, just 3 friends, and then they use it. Yeah, it's okay, but it's small. Yeah, you see. Okay, that's still small, but it's okay. I don't think about it. Wow.
Well, every day, yeah.
Yeah, every day. It's small, but every day. Yeah, it's group income for my team, from my friend, because my basic is trader. I'm not for networker or marketer or anything. I never sell anything. Okay. Then wow, lah, from July, the reward is increased, 30 per day. Okay, and then 50.
Yeah.
Then every day 150, 200, then 300. Yeah, every day. My basic is not marketer or networker, so I don't have a group or database to sell this robot. But see, I can make it.
Yeah, fantastic.
Then how many teams I have? Okay, let's see. I only have 11 direct member. Okay, but I have 1,219. It grows themselves.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Then I don't go anywhere. I just stay at home. I just make a call from WhatsApp, then Telegram, and then Zoom almost every day. I maintain my teams to do trading well every day. Yeah, we give a trick how to set and trade with Royal Q Robot. So guys, the bot is really good. I'm gonna tell you something that my husband is also a professional trader in forex. You know forex, yeah, foreign exchange, yeah.
Future trading. Yep.
Yeah, forex, and then he has been trading since 2012, 2011. Yeah, he really hates robot, but now he really recommended this robot. Yeah, because this robot is very smart. It's made by high technology that you can use manually and also automatically. Yeah, if you want to use if you are a new starter, you can do it automatically by just use the default developer setting or just join CopyTrade. There are so many good trader in the circle menu. Okay, and then after that, if you are trader, you can do this robot. You just make your own strategies. You just make your own setting to make higher profit. Okay, that's all for me.
That's all. Oh, thank you, Citra. Thanks a lot. We do hope to see you again. Thanks for sharing all your experience regarding, especially as a traders. Okay, for the point of view of the as a traders. Thank you.
Yeah.
Citra Roli. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, guys. Okay. Next. Also from Indonesia. Okay, I will call upon. I also not even meet him before. I just know his name already. Okay. So without further ado, we call upon our Mr. Steven Kurniawan.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr.
nice,
Steven. Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys. All international leader here. Very great one. Okay. Thanks. Before to let me talk about my testimonial in this global Zoom. It's an honor to me to meet all the great leaders here, V6 and V5 leaders all over the world.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't speak about the Royal Cube robot because we already know Royal Cube is a very brilliant robot. You can make profit every day. You can earn money from that with a good money management. Royal Cube is a low risk business with only $120, but you can make a lot of income here. Yeah, we know at me. Joined Royal Q around 3 months. I'm V5 now at Royal Q.
Yeah.
We know V5 income is around $500 until 1,000 US dollar per day. Yeah. Means if you invest only $120, then you can make 500 until $1,000 per day. It will be worth it for you to run this business. Okay. I started 3 months ago, and I have now 3,500 people all over the world. I have my leader in Nigeria, Mr. Kingsley there, helped me a lot there. So I have a lot of people in all over the world, Japan, Hong Kong, and other countries. This networking is very beautiful. I don't even know them before. I only make this business at my home. I'm only using my cell phone. I never met anyone in this business personally. So this is the beautiful of a new era, yeah, of digital yeah. Okay, we don't need to meet people to make business. I use this. I cannot present it royal presentation very well, but I can motivate all the leader one by one. That's and the good point is in Royal Q you have all the support system that help you. Even you cannot present it, you can just use this support system. Okay, that's a very great one for Royal Q. If you are a beginner, don't worry. Royal Q support system will help you grow. I'm also not a professional networker like this other leader here that have experience in networker, but I can do it. If I can do it, you can also do it. Okay. Today, God give you an opportunity to join this business. We never know. Yeah. I start the business. I introduced by my friend. I studied in only one and two. On that second, I decided that I must join this business. Why? Because Royal Q is very safe. Our money is safe in Binance, the number one exchange in the world. Don't need to worry to tell other people about that. Okay, because your money is safe here. Okay. Okay. If $190 can change your life and make your family happy, I think you should go for that. That's all from me. Hope all the new people from here who haven't joined Royal Q yet, don't waste your time. Ask your invader what about Royal Q. Learn it and make profit every day. See you at the top. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so for the next one, I will try to communicate with the another country from Brazil. From
Hello.
Brazil. All right. So I will try to.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm V6 from India, Mahendra.
Yeah.
One request. Now I'm airport, and my flight. So that's why I'm sharing 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
And I'm free.
Okay. In that case, I think I will call upon from India first. Okay, Mr. Mahendra Kaikar, our first V6 from India. Carry on, sir.
Yeah.
Second. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Mahendra, I hand over to you.
Good
Our
evening,
V6
everyone.
guy.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah. We can
Yes,
see
please.
we can see your video. You're not open your video, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now I can see your face, Mr. Mahendra. Carry on.
Okay. Terima kasih. First one.
Namaste.
Namaste. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. First, thank you my upline, super upline, Mr. Murli Mohan, who gave me very good opportunity, and my life is very turning 360 degree.
Fantastic.
And specially thanks and one congratulation to Murli Mohanji, first V6 in India who achieved global activate bonus. So special thanks to Murli Mohanji. Okay. Then this 28th September, I completed my 4 month, and I total earned $1,66,000 total. My side is a huge income, and it is amazing. And total is INR is 1 CR 40 lakhs is a INR. Okay. So special thanks to once again Murli Mohanji, and now I am in airport from now in Goa, because 2 days before our all over India conference V3 and above, very good 125 people come V3 and above in Goa, India. So maximum, I think so, maximum V6 in India, maximum V6 future, I think so. Okay.
We hope so.
Yeah.
No worries.
Power, Mahendra. Power.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So can I show my
Sure.
ID?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You can share your screen. Yeah, we can see your screen already.
You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. You see my rank is the top side V6.
Yeah, Mahendra G. V6.
I joined 20th May. This 20th September, I completed my 4 month in Royal Q.
4 month,
Okay, and my reward detail. I show you my first payout is a very important to me. 29th May, $30. Okay, is a first payout, and then today's payout is a $2,413. And in $5,482, 8th September is the highest payout.
Wow.
And top side is you see total payout is a $1,68,578.
Yep.
1 crore 36 lakh in INR. It's thanks to Royal Q, and thanks to Murli Mohanji, and thanks to all Malaysian guy, because every week is an English meeting to us. That's very good support me, to increase my team. So very, very thankful to you. Very, very thankful. Okay.
Is that all?
And congratulations to this Zoom meeting before B5 and B6 also. And congratulations, Nizam sir, B6 for B6 and first guy I think so in international who achieved global activate bonus. So
Okay.
once again to invite me. Thank you very much.
No problem. No problem. So you are having your flight? Okay.
Huh?
So you're having your flight later on?
What?
So you're having your flight later on?
Yeah. Now I am in Goa airport, going to Mumbai. So half an hour I am flight.
Have
That's,
a safe flight. Have a safe flight,
okay.
sir.
So thanks very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Mahendra.
Once again, terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Ini mesti Tuan Nizam yang ajar. Okay, thank you, Mr. Mahendra. Okay, nice to see you with your good faces. Okay, so consider from India, I will call upon today. I think it's a big day for him. Okay, I met him since start. Mr. Murali Mohan. Congratulations, highly appreciated. Congratulations to Mr. Murali because become a V6. Become a V6, not V5 anymore, right? Abi,
Now V6.
Today is your V6. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
Okay, fantastic virtual background. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Brother, sister, without further ado, this is considered the first call leader that I will interview and direct call for the Zoom call. I still remember that day. Okay, every single time I call upon him, he become a next rank. And tonight, okay, he become a V6, the highest. Fantastic, brother, fantastic. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let him sharing what is the fantastic, the beautiful about this platform. I hand over this floor to Mr. Murali Mohan.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And so I'm so excited today because I achieved the highest position in Royal Q. And I could also, since
Sir,
my
interrupted, sir.
yeah.
Murli Mohanji, first in Indian guy V6 who achieved activation bonus. First activation bonus.
Activation global dividend.
Activation global bonus. First
Right.
in India.
And
V6.
and that is just because Mahindra Gaikar who became V6 before me. Okay. And the credit goes to Mahindra Gaikar. Okay. And it's a business. See, this business is very, very excellent because you can see there is no upline position or downline position here. Anybody can achieve at any position. If you put your efforts, you can go beyond your uplines or anybody. Because your effort only counts and nothing else counts. Exactly, you plan your life for V6. See, V6 is the highest position. Always think about the top. Don't think about the small things. Think about the top and put your road to V6. And that is what we conducted a program in Goa. It was a road to V6. We conducted a program road to V6. And we want the entire 125 people who came over there for the program to be a V6. And that was what we are planning in our mind. And again, this road to V6 program will be continuously going. And in fact, there will be number of V6 users definitely from India. See, once you become V6, see, always we have to, when we are planning for the top, nothing can stop us. I started this business. When I started this business, I got this idea. I was not having that much money in my account because at that time, market was crashed. I was into cryptocurrency trading, but due to the crash in the market, all my coins were in loss. That was in May 21st of 2021. So at that time, I could just start this business with $300. That means that time it was $120 for Royal Q and $180 in Binance for trading. And when I saw the charm of this business, I just shared this with my friends and the maximum number of people. And my aim was to become a V6. So I just saw I need 20 directs for becoming a V6. So that was my first task. And I tried to bring this 20 directs and educated my team to bring this 20 directs. And by the time I brought 12 directs, I could become a V2. Because my team was also working fast. Similarly, I became a V2. I just explained the charm of V2 to my teammates, and they also were interested in becoming a V2. Within the next 4 days, I could become a V3. Within another 10 days, I could become a V4. Within total of 50 days, I could become a V5. And total of 123 days, I could become a V6.
Wow. It's a word.
Before I become a V6, my direct, Guy Karji, he became a V6 in just 100 days.
Wow, Mahendra. First
Right.
record.
He crossed the record and he became V6 in 100 days, and I could become a V6 in 123 days. And so my message to the entire team is that this is simply possible. If you believe that it is possible, it is simply possible. But you have to believe that it is possible. We have to just analyze what are we going to lose. Here we should be having a mind to deliver the good opportunity to our near and dear. Because here we are getting an opportunity where we can earn in crores. And when we are getting an opportunity to earn in crores, we have to share it with our near and dear first. And we have to share it with our near and dear and give them the same opportunity and duplicate it. Definitely, you can become a V6. So wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Our brother Murali Mohan. Fantastic. From the name Mohan already consider become the extraordinary people. Congratulations, brothers.
I can share my screen also if you need.
Yeah, carry on. Do so.
Right. This is my, I think you can see it.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
The MV6. My date of joining was 21/5/2022 is my renewal. That means 21st of May 2021 I joined. And my reward details, if you see, I have earned almost $1,84,000. That means almost 1,49,27,545 Indian rupees. Today I have earned 1,165 USDT. And I started my business the very first day. I could introduce total 5 people. I introduced 5 people on 22nd, and I got $150. And on 23rd, 1%, 24th, 1%, 25th, 1%, and 26th, I became a V2. And thereafter, from 22, I became a V3 on 2nd of June. And in 10 days, that means 12th of June, I became a V4. And in 50 days of 9th of July, I became a V5. And in 123 days, that is today, I became a 23rd of September. I became a V6.
Congratulations, sir.
So this is my roadmap. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thanks again, Mr. Murali, our brother from India. Consider you all deserve it. Okay, for those who become the V6. Consider India V2 V6 right now. 2 V6
Yes.
already.
2 V6.
Malaysia,
And more V6 to come.
Yeah, Malaysia also 2 V6.
Yeah.
India also 2 V6. Indonesia
2 V6.
2 V6 also. Wow. Okay, coming soon will be the next country I will call upon. I will try. Okay. So without further ado, I will call from Brazil. Consider very famous guy in Brazil. Sometimes I will not even understand what he's trying to say. So without further ado, I call upon Dr. Marcus Almeida, our V5 from the Russian. Wow. Fantastic.
Hello, my friends.
Yeah. Hola, hola.
Bueno, yo puedo hablar español o portugués, inglés. Inglés no.
Cucut.
Español o portugués.
Okay. Carry on.
Ok. Ya. Primeramente, un gusto saludarlos, un gusto a todos que están aquí conectados, familia Royal Key Mundial. Es
yo escrevi uma frase aqui, quero compartilhar com vocês. Royalty is making dreams come true. Come true. And the good news is that we're just getting started. Eso, Royal Q. Royal Q estás realizando sueños, cambiando vidas, llevando oportunidad para miles y miles y miles de personas en todo el mundo. Y la buena noticia es que solo estamos empezando. Los resultados que estamos teniendo es fruto de nuestro trabajo, un trabajo en equipo, un trabajo de expansión, de llevar oportunidad para las personas. Yo estoy muy contento con los resultados que estamos teniendo, pero sé que es solo el comienzo. Yo sé que solo estamos empezando y lo que vamos a construir todos juntos en el mundo va a ser increíble, va a ser impactante. Entonces, felicidad a cada uno de ustedes. Para mí es un honor estar aquí y compartir lo que Royal Q ya nos generó con este negocio. Para mí y para mi esposa también, que también desarrolla ya. Entonces, voy a compartir aquí con ustedes.
Okay, we can see your screen. Wow. Every single day, a few hundred or even a few $1,000s. Fantastic.
Royal Q!
Yeah! Fantastic, Dr. Marcus. You deserve it. Okay, fabulous.
Mire, dos cars.
2 months. She said 2 months.
Dos cars, sí, dos cars. Royal Q. Y solo estamos empezando. Solo el comienzo. Started.
Ya, hentak. Cakap je, hentak.
Luna. Royal Q.
To the moon.
To the moon.
Alright, Mr. Marcus. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Is that all? Okay? Thank you
Thank you
for
very much. Gracias. Muito obrigado.
Gracias. Adios, amigos.
Adios.
Okay, brothers and sisters, that is Mr. Marcos Amelda, very cheerful, and consider Insta famous, consider very famous in Facebook. They have got a few million followers. Fantastic guy. You can see from the energy that he throw away. Okay, thank you for sharing about the rescue. Thank you, sir. So next I will call upon from Brazil also our Iron Lady from Brazil. Okay, consider a V5 also, Miss Renata Maria. Are you in there? Sis Renata?
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
How are you, sis? Renata. Okay, brothers and sisters, so from Brazil, consider the first Iron Lady, consider become the V5. I do believe V6 just around the corner. So I will pass over the stage to you. Sis Renata, carry on.
Hello everyone, and congratulations for the great achievement in Royal Q. I'm very happy to be part of this great project. When Nizam bring me, I say, wow, this business is crazy. I can't imagine it. I can't believe it. And then I start 3 months ago and work hard and make great team. And then in Latin America, team is very happy and impacted with these results that the Royal Q app has been given to everyone every day, and I dedicate myself more education and support everyone. One how to use the app and get better results. Today, we already 30,000 active. And we already have many V2, V3, V4, V5 in our network grow out of control, out of control every day more. Yeah. It's incredible, crazy. We are very happy about this. And we are every day strengthening ourselves more and more to double, triple, and much more. Our team, we are already in more than 30 countries in our Latin America. Latin America is very big and has a lot citizens. And once again, thank you for having the opportunity to work with the wonderful people and success for everyone. And we see in the top V6. And then Nizam, you are the best guy. It's why I work with you many years, and I hope we continue working for life. And thank you so much.
Alright, thank you, sis Renata.
Power. Miss Renata
Power.
Maria. Power.
Yes.
Maria.
So we go to Bali, okay? Because we drink a lot in Bali together.
Do again.
Bali.
That's right. Bye. See you in the top.
Alright, thank you to our Miss Renata Maria. I like this name. Ta like a TikTok song. Alright, so from Brazil we try. Bro Nizam, do we have from Nigeria?
Dr. Moni.
Dr. Moni don't not in my. I don't see his name. I don't see her name. Just now I saw, but it's out of from Zoom already. It's not in the. Only have the king money. Only the king money. Don't have a doctor money. Okay. For the meanwhile, guys, for those who already might be halfway, you just with us for our tonight Zoom call. No worries, don't worry. We have a live button over there. You just click from your handphone or your laptop. Have a live button. You just click. You have a link, so you can see our Zoom call. Not only for today, for the rest of our Zoom call previously, you can see, you can learn it again and again, and in order if you has been lack of something, okay. So not only that, you also can drop by to our official Telegram. It's very easy. Everything in capital letter, Royal Q, in bracket info, and close the bracket. All the information regarding all the notification, all the techniques. You may drop by to our official Telegram in order to.
Aceh, maybe can invite James Emakara already in room.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So without further ado, we will go to the Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. I will call upon our brother. I do hope he still remember me. Okay, because since start. Already from the V2, if I'm not mistaken, I already consider interview and meet him in the Zoom. So without further ado, allow me to call upon the V5 from Nigeria, Mr. James Emakara. Are you there, brother? Mr. James? Mr. James Emakara.
Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Yeah.
I am so happy. I'm so delighted to be here to speak with everyone. I must tell you, that Royal Q has